Integrating Afterpay into your Shopify store is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can integrate Afterpay into your Shopify store. So the process is pretty simple. So for that, as you guys can see, I'm on my Google now. Here I'm just going to search for Shopify, and I'll simply go to the Shopify's website, which should be shopify.com. Now in the Shopify website, you have to make sure to log into your account. After logging into your account, you will be at the dashboard, which should look something like that. Now here you have to click on the settings, which should be on the bottom left corner. Now in the settings, this is what you will see. Here you have to go to the payments. Now in the payments, you just have to scroll down until you see this additional payment methods option. Now here you have to click on this add payment method. Now here you just have to click on this button, which should say search by provider. Now here you simply have to search for Afterpay, and you will be able to see Afterpay right here. Currently in my region, Afterpay is not available. ClearPay is, so you just have to click on that, and then you will easily be able to add it into your Shopify store. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.